go.
What's up? Just left the yard, headed to the right of way. I don't think we're gonna make any welds, but Dicon is here, which is a Dynamite like blasting outfit. Where the terrain's real rocky, they'll blast it, and I think they've found a lot of rock where we're at. So I think they're gonna go in there and blast it all. So I think we'll get to see that too. It ought to be pretty neat. I don't know if it'll be today or not when they do it, but whenever they do it, hopefully we're around to watch it. All right. Got my bag packed. Got my lunch, a pancake, and a pair of gloves in there. Oh, and my thermos of coffee. I got one weld to make. We're gonna put a double joint on the end of a 5-joint section on the bank weld. Do what?
Yeah, dude, that's a ride coming back up. Hell, Andy ain't gonna walk back up the downhill right there. It's pretty steep.
Holy cow. Oh,
One weld today, guys.
freaking cool though. Now, will all them red things be connected at some point?
Yeah, yeah. As when we get ready to hook it up,
We'll tie them all together?
yeah, we'll hook them all together.
That's freaking cool. They ain't gonna need mats here. Not
No.
close enough to us.
Yeah, not really close up with anything to do. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Yeah, let's ask him.
How long before they shoot down there? Shouldn't be long. They're gonna do it pretty quick. Hell, I'm gonna walk down there.
Me too.
All right, you got 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes before the blast. Then they'll make one more blast like that,
Well, hang on, I'll stop it.
and then they're gonna set. $5 for everything you catch, Mo.
I ain't taking no.
Here we go.
Got to hook it together.
What'd he say?
If you don't blast, don't run.
Let her go.
Right, exactly. Nice.
How freaking
That's
cool.
neat.
I don't care who
You
you
gotta
are.
push that big rock out of the ground, push it up to the top.
Freaking awesome. God dang.
And they did drill the water hole.
Yeah.
It looked like a section there didn't go off.
No, I don't think they drilled there. Yeah, they skipped it. They skipped it.
Why, just because?
Well, they drilled some holes, but there wasn't no rock.
Yeah, that would have been real neat if it'd been like that one that Andy was talking about, that long one.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, God dang. That's the first time I'd ever seen it.
Me too.
That was neat.
Highlight of my day.
Yeah, I can go to the house now. I'm happy. I'm satisfied.
Man, how neat. That was definitely the highlight of my day and week. I've never been that close to the blasting. I've been kind of close enough to hear the horn go off. They honk their horn 2 minutes prior to the blast, and then they honk it right before they blast, I think. But that was real cool. Yeah, that's what they did. But yeah, I've never been able to be that close. We had to be, I think he said, 400 to 500 feet away from it. Sometimes they'll put what they call blasting mats on top if they're close to a house or something, but there wasn't nothing close enough, so we got to watch it blow up. That was so cool. just like the cartoons. But it's crazy that people do that every day is their day job, you know. I got to talking to one of them guys there, the main guy that was running the John Henry, drilling them holes. He said they do all kinds of, you know, as far as Dicon, they actually do all kinds of blasting for like old buildings, you know. They knock down old buildings, and I forget what else he said, but I just thought that was so neat. He said he mostly deals with pipeline, you know, they stay busy doing pipeline blasting, you know, but that's just neat. That was real neat. He said there was roughly 60 holes right there, and each hole had, I didn't ask him, but from what the guy that I was asking down there actually putting the dynamite in the holes, he looks like he put one stick of dynamite and then the stick of dynamite with the deck cord on it, and then another stick of dynamite on top of it, and then, you know, that deck cord come out. That deck cord's hollow, and then once they, you know, they get them all, the holes packed full, they put the dynamite in there, then they put like some kind of gravel on top of it, and, you know, they pack it down in there real good, and then they hook all of them up together, obviously, and then there's a fine powder that runs through that deck cord, and of course an electrical charge sets it off, and then blast it. You know, that's so cool. Anyway, good day. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I figure you guys might like that. That's one of the reasons, you know, like I talk about all the time, is why I like doing this line of work. You know, it's always something new. You know, there's all kinds of stuff that goes into this pipeline work, and it's very interesting. So I was glad we were able to be close enough to watch it, and I was glad I was able to get some of it on video for y'all. Anyway, we made one weld today, and then they got all kinds of ditch to open up, and then we'll have all kinds of welds. There's still, I don't know what they said, plenty of welds to make right there where we're at. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me today. I'm backing into the my parking spot here at the campground right now. Hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys learn something every day. We'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching.
Go.